Morning guys, welcome to day 2 of holiday baking. Today we're going to be doing 3 cookies and we're going to start out with our peanut butter cookies with our Reese's peanut butter cups inside. This recipe I found on Pinterest on intimate weddings, and this is the first time I'll be trying a cookie like this, so we're going to be doing it together. Yay! So I'm going to show you the ingredients that you'll need and the utensils, and then we'll get started. So over here we're going to start with 1 3/4 cup of flour. And then over here we have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We have 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We have a 1/2 cup of butter, which is 1 stick. And then we've got a 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1/2 cup packed light brown sugar, 1 egg. We have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We have 2 tablespoons of milk. We have 1/2 cup of peanut butter. I already said that. And then over here we have a bag of mini unwrapped Reese's peanut butter cups. And what we're going to do with those is, while we're getting together our peanut butter cookie mix, the recipe calls for and suggests that we pop these in the freezer while we're getting these together, and then I'll go around the reason why after we have our peanut butter cookies going. And over here, as for our utensils, what we're going to need, I have the mini muffin pan, and this one holds 48. If you don't have this one, you can always use the regular ones that hold 12 or 24. You'll just need enough. This recipe calls for 40 cookies. And then right here I have our mini cupcake scoops, or mini ice cream scoops. These are just the 1-inch ones. And the serving says that you'll just need to roll your balls into 1 inch, so these work perfectly, just the mini ones. Then I have our spatula. So I'll get all of the stuff ready to put the cookie dough into the mixer, and then I will be right back. Okay, so the first instruction said to sift together your flour, salt, and baking soda and set aside. So in a large bowl, I put in the flour, the salt, and the baking soda, and then I'm just whisking those together to incorporate them. And they're well incorporated, so I'm going to set that aside. And then in your mixer, it suggests to cream together the butter, your sugar, your peanut butter, and your brown sugar until fluffy. So in the mixer, I have put in the stick of butter, the sugar, the brown sugar, and now I'm going to add the peanut butter. And then I'm going to cream those together, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so I've mixed this for about a minute, minute and a half, and I'm going to give my bowl a good scrape, and as well as my paddle. As you can see, the peanut butter likes to stick right there. So I'm going to give it a mix for another minute or so, and then we'll be right back. Okay, mixture is all mixed and very fluffy. So now it says to add in the remainder of the ingredients, which is our milk, our vanilla, and it suggested to beat the egg, so I went ahead and beat the egg. So now on a low speed, we're going to go ahead and add those. We're going to add in our milk. I'm going to incorporate that.